AI agents are a powerful tool for workflow automation, and the reason they are is that they fuse the power of an LLM chatbot with function calling, tools, memory, thoughts, and the ability to perform end-to-end workflow. In this video, I'm going to show you behind the scenes of function calling, how to create function calling with the Gemini API, what the LLM is thinking in the background, and also an idea of what all of this costs. So let's head over to Colab now. The simple example I want to show today is turning the LLM into a very basic data analyst by being able to do things with BigQuery from its functions. So I wanted to pull some data in BigQuery. First thing I'm going to do in the Colab notebook, I'm going to authenticate myself. I'm going to do some imports. I put all this code in the GitHub, which is linked down below, so you can use it from there. But just importing BigQuery, importing the Gen AI libraries, and then I'm setting my cloud project. I'm using Vertex AI here and setting my cloud project from a secret that I have because I don't want to expose that because I'm going to share this code. So the first thing I want to do, and this is doing this in code, is I want the LLM to be able to pull out a schema of a database. That way it knows what fields are available, what type they are, and a description of those fields. So basically this, and this is that done in code. But for the LLM, what I want to do is I'm giving it instructions. I'm describing what this function does. So it reads schema from a BigQuery table. You should receive the full BigQuery table, if not make the best guess. The argument is going to be the table name, and what you need to return to yourself is a dictionary representing the schema. And this is pretty much the same code above, but the LLM will decide what to put into that parameter from the chat they get. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give the LLM ability to write queries. This is how I would do it programmatically, is I need to get the query and I need to put that into BigQuery, run it, and print the results out to myself. So I need to know exactly every single word of this query. The difference with the LLM is I just have to tell it, right, this executes a BigQuery SQL query and returns a JSON string. What you're going to get is the BigQuery SQL string to execute. It's actually going to create this on its own, and it returns a JSON formatted string. And then down below, I've done a bit of processing so it understands what it's pulled itself. So the idea of this is that it will read a schema. It's going to then use that schema to create a query, read that query, and then give us some information. So I'm doing this through a couple of different prompts. But first I need to create my client. I'm creating a Gen AI client in Vertex AI. And then I am going to say what model I want to use. So this is Flash Preview. So I'm using a thinking model here. I'm going to do this in 3 prompts. So I'm giving it a system prompt of you're an expert data analyst. I'll give you a BigQuery table and query instructions. Use the schema tool, and then use the query tool, and then answer my questions. And then the question is going to be in the user prompt, but then I'm giving it a format so we exactly see what the breakdown of this is. I want it to return the query results, the SQL query used, the explanation, and the functions used so we can see what it's actually doing. So if I just asked it the question, it's just going to return the answer, but we want to see all the background information as well. So I'm generating a function here. I'm going to start by giving it the model, which is Gemini 2.5 Flash, then my prompting strategy where I have the system and format prompt, and in the middle we'll be giving it a user prompt. So the user doesn't know that I have a system and format prompt. All the user knows is that he's giving a system prompt. And then I'm going to give it the tools to use and turn thinking on, return the output. Now let's watch the magic happen. All of those instructions go in. I give it a query the BigQuery table, Austin bike share trips to get the most popular season for trips in 2018, 2019, and 2020. I'm going to press go. This probably takes 30 seconds to run. I've sped it up here, and out of this I get exactly what I was looking for to debug what this has done. So I get the query results that came out of BigQuery. I got the SQL query used, an explanation of why that SQL query was used. That's just for debugging. I got an explanation, which is probably the only thing you want to expose to the user. The most popular season was this, followed by this. However, in 2020, fall was the most popular season, and the response ends with the 2 functions used. So you can print the thoughts to debug exactly what the LLM was thinking in order to carry out all these jobs. And that's what's happening here. The LLM is specifically planning out, okay, the user wants me to do this. I'm going to call this function. I'm going to call this function. And finally, what I'm going to do is list out the output. Now, all these things have a cost. So I have a cost calculator down here. This is for Gemini 2.5 Flash. And if you want to use this method, just put in the cost of token for input, output, and thought. Thought are the most expensive. This whole query has cost me 0.1 of a cent, but do track that. So I'm going to do another query here. I'm using a completely different table. This is 311 service requests in Austin, and I'm asking what were the most common complaint descriptions created in the last week of 2025. So it's done the exact same thing, and this is the beauty of function calling. Once I've written the function, I can use it for many different purposes and many different tables. So it's given me query results, it's given me the SQL query used, and it's given me a good explanation of what were the most common complaints, and also it's used both functions one time. So as I said, out on GitHub, I've got all the code for this if you want to try it out yourself. But the main goal of this video is just to show you what's possible with function calling. Gemini function calling is a very powerful tool to enable workflow automation and an LLM to do more. Now, this is made extremely more powerful with Agent Framework, which I'll be going through the Gemini Agent Development Toolkit in a future video. I hope you found this useful. Follow for more Gemini AI tutorials.